Is he biting you?
No.
How come?
Doesn't that open his mouth?
Oh.
Is that orange? No. Make sure the orange ones don't get under your bed. They can bite you.
Under your bed?
What? So if...
Really?
Yeah, they're bed bugs.
Oh.
Well, they're not bed bugs.
Look at
you. Get it off.
Going up his sleeve.
Going up his sleeve, you better get
The orange ones can bite, you know.
I know, that's what I heard.
I need to hear you like yelling, but not through the walkie-talkie at all.
Did you get him?
No,
Yeah, I dropped it.
did you crush him?
No,
He went underneath.
No, he fell underneath there.
I dropped it on little pedestal. He couldn't.
Well, he can plant the other bugs under there now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But if they're not other bugs under there. If they're not other bugs under there.
Well, I imagine there's all kinds of bugs under there.
Yeah, but they're not yellow. The way the bugs are red.
Mm.
They're not yellow.
We call them tomatoes.